Greenery indoors. A breath of fresh air. Bringing the outdoors in has amazing benefits. Plants can clean the air we breathe, making our homes healthier. Studies show that being around plants reduces stress and boosts our mood. Imagine feeling calmer and happier just by adding a touch of green to your living space. Indoor plants also act as natural humidifiers, adding moisture to the air. This is especially helpful during dry winter months, when heating systems can make the air feel stuffy. Not only do plants improve our well-being, but they also add beauty and life to our homes. A splash of green can instantly brighten a dull corner or create a calming atmosphere. Whether it's a leafy vine cascading from a shelf or a colorful succulent gracing your windowsill, plants add personality and style. With so many benefits, it's no wonder indoor gardening has become increasingly popular. Your first indoor garden easy care choices. Starting your indoor garden is easier than you think. Many houseplants are incredibly low maintenance, thriving with minimal care. For beginners, some of the best choices include pothos, snake plants, and succulents. Pothos, known for their heart-shaped leaves, are incredibly resilient and can tolerate a wide range of light conditions. Snake plants, with their upright sword-like leaves, are almost indestructible and can even handle some neglect. Succulents, in their diverse shapes and sizes, are masters of water conservation and prefer bright, indirect light. These hardy plants are perfect for novice gardeners, offering a sense of accomplishment without the stress. They're also readily available at most garden centers and even some grocery stores. When selecting your first plants, consider the light conditions in your home and choose varieties that will thrive in those environments. Plant Care 101. Light, water, and more. Caring for your indoor plants might seem daunting, but it's simpler than it appears. The key is understanding their basic needs: light, water, soil, and temperature. Most houseplants prefer bright, indirect light, meaning they shouldn't be placed in direct sunlight. Overwatering is a common mistake, so it's essential to let the soil dry out slightly between waterings. You can test this by sticking your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Well-draining soil is crucial for healthy roots, preventing them from becoming waterlogged. Most houseplants thrive in average room temperatures between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. By paying attention to these basic needs, you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident plant parent. Regularly checking your plants for any signs of pests or diseases is also essential for maintaining their health. Section 4. Designing with greenery. Plants in every room. Integrating plants into your home decor is a fun and creative way to enhance your living spaces. In the living room, large floor plants like fiddle leaf figs or monsteras can create a dramatic focal point. Trailing plants like pothos or spider plants look stunning on shelves or hanging planters, adding a touch of whimsy. In the bedroom, peace lilies or lavender plants can promote relaxation and better sleep. Kitchens are ideal for growing herbs like basil, mint, or rosemary, adding fresh flavors to your cooking. Bathrooms with ample humidity are perfect for moisture-loving plants like ferns or air plants. Remember to consider the scale and proportion of your plants in relation to your furniture and decor for a cohesive look. Get creative and have fun experimenting with different plant combinations and arrangements to find what suits your style best. Section 5. The Joys of Plant Parenthood. A rewarding journey. Becoming a plant parent is a rewarding experience that connects us with nature and brings joy to our lives. The simple act of caring for another living being and witnessing its growth can be incredibly fulfilling. Plants teach us patience, observation, and the importance of nurturing. They remind us to slow down, appreciate the small things, and find beauty in the everyday. The process of learning about different plant species, their unique needs, and how to best care for them can become a lifelong passion. And as your plant family grows, so too will your sense of accomplishment and connection to the natural world. Section 6. Troubleshooting common plant problems. Even with the best intentions, plant parents may encounter common issues such as yellowing leaves, drooping stems, or pests. Yellowing leaves can indicate overwatering, underwatering, or nutrient deficiencies. Drooping stems usually signal a need for water, but can also be a sign of overwatering or root rot. Pests like spider mites or mealybugs can infest plants, causing damage. The key is to identify the problem early and take appropriate action. Online resources and plant care guides offer a wealth of information on diagnosing and treating common plant ailments. Local nurseries and garden centers are also great resources for seeking advice from experienced gardeners. Remember, even seasoned plant parents face challenges, so don't be discouraged if you encounter setbacks. With patience, observation, and a little research, you can help your plants thrive and flourish in your care.